Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is a quick and easy Excel tips for human resources. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel is a valuable tool for human resources professionals to manage employee data, track performance metrics, and generate reports. And here are some quick and easy tips for human resources. Now, if we go to Excel and open it up, and as you go home and search for templates, there are many available templates for use for human resources, just like this one, the employee absence schedule. Here, you can create employee absence schedule template to track absence and time reports of the employees. And as we go back here, there is also employee or dependent contractor checklist. Use this accessible employee versus independent contractor checklist template to find out. This helps you determine whether current workers are properly classified as employees or independent contractor. We have also weekly employee shift schedule. You can plan your company's work schedule with this accessible employee shift schedule template. We have also the employee time card that track and calculates total regular and overtime for an employee every day. We have also the travel expense statement that it submits your business travel expenses with the official looking report. It has space for employee information and detailed expense list and approval. We have also the expense report, and you have here the employee attendance, employee phone list, which is a compilation of list of organizations' employees' names, addresses, emails, and telephone numbers with the simple employee contact list template, and many more. You can just search this and just learn how to use it, and that's it. That's how, and that's the quick and easy Excel tips for human resources. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!